You guys, I'm so sorry about that because my sister wouldn't put the slime away. So, yeah. Well, wouldn't put my shoes away. But anyways, next thing is the slime collection. It is when they do a slime collection, but they do it so fast you can't even know you don't even know what kind of slime it is, or what it is, or what color it is. You don't know anything about it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to take that out for you guys, for the OCD people. Okay. So, guys, first time I have is this one. Guys, no, that was already so you can already tell. Next time is this slime, as you can see. So easy, gosh. This slime, as you can see, all that. Oh, this is my favorite slime. I'm going so slowly. Why aren't you guys seeing that I'm poking it? This slime. Okay, this slime. Okay, that's all my slime. Bye, guys. So when they do that, and I hate it when they do that, and yeah. Next one, the professional nest. This is the one that does everything perfect, but they think that they're always so perfect still. So yeah, guys, there's that slime. Yeah, guys. Okay. Fine. Next one, the way too aggressive one.